Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I am Ayans. Today, I would like to say the problem that has formed in everywhere. This is the problem caste system. Caste system divided people into four groups such as Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. In approx 100 years ago, the Brahmins are the most powerful note educated in a society. They teach other Brahmins and Kshatriya, not and Shudra. Sorry, and someone Shudra, Vaishya, not Shudra, because the Shudra are servant of Vaishya, and Vaishya and Shudras is not. Shudra is a lower caste that has formed in our society. Their work is making food for Vaishya, Kshatriya, and do his work. He make their food. He make their food, and and Vaishya and other caste eat. But when the Shudras goes into market and he want to teach his children, the upper caste do not allow to educate them. It is the biggest problem in past. It is formed in India today. In village, in cities, the lower caste also exist, like Clover. He is also lower caste, and Paswan and etc. People think they are lower caste. They are not educated in village, because it is true. The lower caste do not want to educate it. Some of them handle his father's business, like selling vegetables, clothing, and etc. This is the biggest problem in our India. In other countries, this is not formed, the caste system and etc. In India, it is very commonly to see. You see in everywhere. In city, the servant that who work for their क्या बोलेंगे, ओनर, मालिक को क्या बोलेंगे, लॉयर. He come from village to do work. He is the lower caste, and in our India, after independence, the caste system is banned, but we see in everywhere. Thank you.